Once again, I welcome you to Super Math class. In today's class, we are required to handle this problem. This is a continuation of my works on fraction. As usual, let us simplify this by changing all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. To do that, we shall say 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. The denominator remains 8. Minus, don't forget the bracket, 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1, 3 over 2, then you close the bracket. You are dividing this by, open your bracket, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3, you have 19 over 4, plus 8 times 4 is 32, and 32 plus 7 is 39, and you are dividing it by 8, which is the denominator. Usually, the best thing to do is to solve what you have in the two brackets first before you carry out this division. So, in doing that, we are trying to subtract these two fractions. We want to remove this from inside this, and the denominators are different. The best thing is to take the LCM, and that is 8. We are choosing 8 because it is the least among the common multiples of 8 and 2. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 1 times 61 is what we shall have up here. Then minus 8 divided by 2 is 4, then we shall have that 4 multiplied by these 3. Then divided by the LCM of 4 and 8 is actually 8. Like I said earlier, the multiples of 4, we have 4, 8, 12, and so on. The multiples of 8, we have 8, 16, 24, and so on. Among them, the least common multiple is 8. This is the smallest among all the common multiples. So we are picking 8. 4 into 8 is 2, and 2 times 19 is what we should have up here. Plus 8 into 8 is 1, and 1 times 39 is what we should have up there. You can elongate this line. So 1 times 61, you carry out multiplication before division, before subtraction anytime you are handling mathematics. So 1 times 61 is 61, minus 4 times 3 is 12, everything over 8, divided by 2 times 19 is 38, plus 1 times 39 is 39. Everything divided by 8. Now you close the bracket, don't forget that. Now 61 minus 12, we have 49 over 8. This is divided by, or this is to be divided by 38 plus 39. 38 plus 39, we have 77. This is also divided by 8. To carry out division in mathematics is easy, because to carry out division of fractions, all you need to do is to invert one of the fractions and then change this to multiplication. So this will give us times 8 over 77. 8 here is 1, 8 here is 1. And then 7 here is 7, and 7 here is 11. So up here we have 7 over 1 times 1 over 11. And you know, when you are multiplying fractions, you just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 7 times 1 is 7, and 1 times 11 is 11. And this is actually the solution to this very problem. Thank you so much for following.